There is this new niche that I recently came across that is exploding right now, yet nobody is talking about it. There are two types of channel. One is called Captain Workout, which was launched this July, but it has accumulated over 150,000 subscribers. And take a look at this other channel called Zolvin. It was created this May. It has gained over 3 million views with just 21 videos. Take a look at this video. It was uploaded 13 days ago, and it has pulled up over 800,000 views. This channel is already making $17,000 in monthly earnings. Here's the crazy part. These types of video are very simple to create with the power of AI, and now most of their videos are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views each. These types of videos explain viewers the correct way to perform a certain exercise or task. They use a muscular humanoid figure to demonstrate each task either correct or incorrect. I know this might look very difficult to create, but with the power of AI, it's simpler than you think. And guess what? If you start now, this niche is still new. You can catch the trend before everyone else. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these high-performing fitness videos for yourself. So stick around until the very end. You don't want to miss a single step. Our first step is creating your own muscular humanoid character. This figure will be the star that demonstrates every exercise across your videos. To make things simple, I've prepared a Google Doc packed with ready-to-use prompts. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides for generating your workout character, writing scripts, and even crafting image prompts. Next, head over to ChatGPT. Upload your reference image and paste in the character prompt and make a few changes. You can customize the letter you want displayed on your character's forehead and set the body color just like the channel we're modeling after. Then hit enter and let ChatGPT generate your custom image prompt. ChatGPT will give you their reference image, but I would like to also use Gemini and compare the result. Just like we did with ChatGPT, paste in your prompt, upload the reference image, and run it through the image creation tool. Within seconds, Gemini will generate your perfect character design. It may take a moment, but once it's done, you'll have your very own muscular workout figure ready to go. Preview the result and choose which result you're happy with and save it. You'll be using it in your content. Now that the character is ready, the next step is generating a video script. Go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Here's where you can fully customize. First, set your video length. Just type in how many minutes you want. Then, choose the workout exercise you want to feature. For today's tutorial, I'll use deadlift because I love doing them, but you can select squats, planks, pull-ups, or anything your audience is interested in. Hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a professionally written script designed to hook viewers from the first line and keep them watching until the final call to action. Once that's done, the next step is voiceover, and for this, we'll be using Google AI Studio. Start by heading over to Google AI Studio, click Sign Up, and create your free account. Once you're logged in, go to Generate Media and select Generate Speech. This will take you to the voiceover creation dashboard. There are two options, multi-speaker and single speaker. Choose single speech as your option. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the script we just generated, and paste it into Google AI Studio. Next, on your right side, there are options. Click on Voices. Here you'll see a wide variety of AI voice options. Preview them and pick the one that matches your channel's style, whether you want something energetic, professional, or calm. Once you've chosen, click Run, and within seconds, the AI will produce your professional voiceover. When it's ready, simply download the audio file to your device. We'll use it later. Now that we've got our voiceover, it's time to generate images of our muscular humanoid character performing different workout moves to match the script. Once that's done, we are moving to the next step, creating visuals. Head back to the Google Doc I provided and copy the exercise image prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it in. Attach the muscular humanoid character you created earlier so the AI knows exactly which style to use. Right below that, paste your script, then hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a set of highly detailed image prompts. These are carefully optimized to match your script line by line, meaning each workout pose will perfectly illustrate the exercise being explained. Once you've got your prompts, it's time to turn them into actual images. For this step, we'll be using Gemini's image generation tool. Head over to Gemini, start a new chat, and paste in the very first image prompt. Upload your muscular humanoid character as a reference. Select the image creation tool and hit enter. Gemini will process it, and within seconds, your first exercise image will be ready. Preview it, and if you're satisfied, download it straight to your device. Repeat this exact process with the remaining prompts until you've generated all the workout images you need. Moving on to our next step, adding background music. And for our background music, we'll be using Suno AI. Head over to Suno, create a free account, and once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation dashboard. Since we don't need vocals or lyrics for this type of video, select instrumental. This gives you clean background music that won't distract from your voiceover. Give your track a title, click create, and Suno will instantly generate 2 unique background tracks based on your input. Preview both tracks, choose the one that best fits your video's vibe, and download it to your device. Now we have reached at the last part of our tutorial, which is editing. We will use CapCut, but you can use any editing software you prefer. Start a new project and import all your assets. Add a simple background. This can be plain white or any style you like. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube and extend the background to match the length of your video. Import all your assets to your timeline. Align the images to match with your voiceover. Add in your captions, animations, edit to your liking. Once you are done, export it to your computer. Let's check out the results.
Think you know how to deadlift? Here's the harsh truth. Most people who walk into a gym are doing it wrong. And instead of building strength, they're setting themselves up for back pain, frustration, and stalled progress. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it so you can lift more weight safely, build serious power, and protect your spine.